What is IFTTT?
IFTTT stands for If This, Then That. It's an online tool that connects different apps, devices, and services, helping them work together automatically. By setting up simple rules, you can create custom automated actions so your favorite tools can perform useful tasks without any manual input.
How automated applets work.
An applet is a set of instructions in IFTTT. Each applet follows a simple format. If this happens, then do that. When a specific trigger occurs, like receiving an email or a sensor detecting movement, IFTTT carries out the connected action, such as saving a file or sending a notification. This makes daily tasks seamless and hands-free.
Setting up your first applet.
To start, create a free IFTTT account and choose the services you want to connect. Pick a trigger, such as posting a photo on Instagram, and select an outcome, like saving the photo to Google Drive. IFTTT guides you through the process, so you can quickly set up automated tasks that suit your needs.
Popular ways to save time.
IFTTT is commonly used to save email attachments automatically, turn on smart home devices with your voice, or post to multiple social networks at once. These automated routines cut down on repetitive tasks, making everyday workflows smoother and more efficient.
Tips for maximizing IFTTT.
Explore the IFTTT library for pre-made applets, or customize your own for a personal touch. Review applet permissions regularly and connect only trusted accounts for security. With thoughtful setups, IFTTT helps you stay organized, save time, and make the most of your digital life.